Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue can occur due to a faulty trigger mechanism or electrical connections. If left unresolved, you may find that your device becomes completely unusable over time, leading to further inconvenience. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement trigger, and some patience. To begin, make sure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged. Locate the screws that secure the casing. These are usually found at the base of the handle. Carefully remove these screws using your screwdriver, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Gently pry open the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, you will find the trigger mechanism, which is often the culprit behind the device not turning on. Inspect the trigger for any visible damage or wear. If you find it faulty, you will need to extract it. Disconnect any cables gently, noting where each one connects, as this will aid in reassembly. The screws securing the trigger itself are typically small, so use the appropriate screwdriver size to remove them. Once you have removed the faulty trigger, take your new part and position it where the old one was located. Replace the screws, ensuring they are not overly tightened, as this can strip the threads. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are firmly in place but not pinched. As you reassemble the casing, double-check that all clips snap back into position without forcing them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the casing is back on and all screws are secured, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test the trigger. If it activates as expected, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your Dyson SV12 and avoid overworking it. Keeping the device well maintained can significantly prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.